In an era defined by constant connection, where the entirety of human knowledge, commerce, and communication flows through an invisible web, we often take its existence for granted. We meticulously plan for terrestrial threats, earthquakes, hurricanes, cyber attacks, yet seldom look beyond our atmospheric bubble for dangers. But what if a force from the vast emptiness of space, a celestial eruption from the very star that gives us life, held the power to unravel this delicate digital tapestry, plunging our hyper-connected world into an unprecedented global blackout? Beyond its serene glow, our sun is a vibrant, active star, a colossal ball of superheated plasma where magnetic fields relentlessly twist and tangle. This dynamic nature is the birthplace of solar storms, celestial eruptions that demand our attention. The two main culprits are solar flares, which are brilliant flashes of electromagnetic radiation zooming towards Earth at light speed, and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. CMEs are far grander, representing vast expulsions of magnetized plasma and solar material that burst forth into space. These spectacular events are triggered when the sun's magnetic field lines, under immense tension, suddenly snap and violently reconnect, releasing an unimaginable torrent of energy and matter from the solar atmosphere. This powerful release is what propels a CME across the solar system, potentially towards our planet. Earth possesses a vital cosmic shield, its magnetosphere. This invisible dynamic magnetic field acts as our planet's defense, crucially deflecting most of the sun's harmful radiation and charged particles. However, even this protective bubble has limits. When a powerful coronal mass ejection, CME, impacts, the magnetosphere is severely tested. It compresses, oscillates violently, and releases immense energy, triggering a geomagnetic storm. These rapid and intense fluctuations in Earth's magnetic field then induce geomagnetically induced currents, GICS. These GICs are powerful, unwanted electric currents that flow through extensive conductors on our planet's surface, posing a silent yet significant threat to our critical infrastructure. The Internet's critical infrastructure faces direct threats. Its backbone, thousands of miles of subsea fiber optic cables, relies on powered repeaters to amplify signals. Geomagnetically induced currents, GICS, from solar storms can surge through these power systems, frying sensitive repeaters and severing global connectivity. Simultaneously, our interconnected electrical grids are vulnerable. GICS induce massive currents in power lines, overwhelming transformers and triggering widespread outages. This is crucial as data centers and internet infrastructure depend on stable power. No electricity, no internet. Furthermore, communication and GPS satellites orbiting Earth face direct damage from intense radiation and charged particles. Such disruption cripples essential timing signals and data services vital for the Internet's global synchronization and navigation, adding another critical layer to the potential blackout. Historical precedents offer chilling insights. The 1859 Carrington event, a monumental solar superstorm, unleashed geomagnetically induced currents that overwhelmed global telegraph systems. Wires sparked, operators received shocks, and fires ignited, demonstrating its profound power even on rudimentary infrastructure. Fast forward, scientific models warn a modern Carrington-level event would cause widespread, long-duration power blackouts. This would trigger a catastrophic domino effect for our internet. With power grids failing, critical infrastructure like data centers, internet exchange points, and essential subsea cable repeaters would cease operation. This cascading failure would rapidly lead to a global collapse of internet services, silencing the digital world. Our intricate web would unravel, revealing profound vulnerability and an unprecedented communication blackout. Beyond the stark silence of a global internet blackout, the societal ripples would be profound and immediate. Economically, the world would face unprecedented devastation as global trade grinds to a halt, banking systems collapse, and essential services falter, potentially incurring daily losses in the trillions. Imagine supply chains severed, financial markets frozen, and industries paralyzed. Concurrently, a complete communication breakdown would plunge societies into chaos. Emergency services would be crippled, GPS navigation rendered useless, and even basic personal connections severed, leading to widespread confusion, fear, and the potential for social unrest. This unprecedented disruption highlights the urgent need for robust preparedness. While efforts are underway to harden critical power grids against geomagnetically induced currents, enhance space weather forecasting capabilities, and develop more resilient communication infrastructures. These initiatives are crucial, yet often underestimated steps towards safeguarding our hyper-connected world from a truly cosmic threat. Solar storms threaten a global internet blackout via CMEs impacting our digital infrastructure. How prepared are we for such a systemic failure? Share your thoughts in the comments.